Welcome to one of the most expensive and most powerful SUVs, the 2022 Range Rover Sport SVR. The second generation Range Rover Sport was announced in March 2013 at the New York Auto Show. Some streets were shut down in Manhattan for a launch party starring James Bond actor Daniel Craig. In 2017, the facelifted Range Rover Sport SVR was announced by the Jaguar Land Rover Group. The SVR has upgraded body styling, which includes the new silver quad exhaust and the new option of a carbon fiber bonnet. .5-liter supercharged V8 from the Jaguar F-Type now produces 575 horsepower, allowing the SVR to accelerate from 0 to 60 in 4 seconds. The exterior color on this vehicle is called Premium Palette Blue, and the sticker price at the moment of recording is around 240,000 euros. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this Range Rover Sport SVR, and if you haven't, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future uploads. As always, thank you so much for watching and wish you all a very nice day.